Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Sip and App. Now, I don't know about you, but I think the winter blues have officially set in around here. So today, I'm making something that tastes like sunshine. These buttery little cakes are similar to the French Madeleine cookies, but with bright, summery flavors of fresh strawberries and lemon. So let's get started by making the best part of the recipe, the strawberry filling. Now, I've tested this recipe for months to achieve the intense flavor of the fresh strawberries that is not overly sweet like strawberry jam. And the answer was the combination of fresh strawberries and freeze-dried strawberries. We'll first blend the freeze-dried strawberries into a fine powder using a high-speed blender or a coffee grinder like I am. Then mix in fresh strawberries, a little at a time if necessary. Then finally add the lemon juice, sugar, and a little cornstarch. It should look like a thick, smooth paste like this. Transfer the filling into a piping bag and drop small portions into an ice cube tray, about 1 teaspoonful each. As you can see, I use this ice cube tray with silicone bottoms, which make it super easy to pop them out later. Pop them into the freezer for about an hour or until they are frozen solid. Once the filling is frozen, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and measure out the rest of the cake ingredients. In the mixing bowl, whisk together the egg, sugar, and honey until the mixture is thick and pale, about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, add the vanilla paste, lemon zest, and lemon juice and mix for a few more seconds before adding in the flour, baking powder, and a little bit of salt. Mix the batter until just combined. And then finally, add the sour cream and melted butter, giving it one last mix until smooth. Transfer the batter into, again, a piping bag, which is an optional step, but it really does make your life easier when it comes to filling the batter into little cake molds. And speaking of cake molds, I'm using the silicone mini cake mold, but if you don't have something like this, you can also use a mini muffin pan with liners. After piping the cake batter into your molds, take the frozen strawberry filling out of the freezer and place one in the center of each cake. Gently press it down, then use a knife or an offset spatula to cover the top with a little more batter. This will keep the filling neatly tucked inside while baking. Finally, bake the cakes for 18 to 20 minutes until they're puffed up and golden brown. Once they're out of the oven, let them cool completely on the wire rack. Now you could stop here, but I like to add a simple lemon glaze on top. Just whisk together powdered sugar and lemon juice until smooth, then drizzle it over the top. And there you have it. These strawberry lemonade cake bites are soft and buttery with a burst of tangy sweet strawberry surprise in the center. These are the perfect little treats to brighten up any winter day. All that's left to do is to enjoy with your favorite drink. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and baking tips in the future. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. Happy baking and cheers!